Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to completely remove and uninstall Valorant from your Windows computer. To start, it's important to note that Valorant is installed through the Riot client. When you download and install Valorant, the Riot client gets installed as well if it's not already on your system. The Riot client creates multiple folders on your system, so let's start by locating these files. First, right-click on the Riot client icon on your desktop and select Open File Location. This will take you to the main folder. For most people, this will be on the C drive, but it could be on the D drive or an external hard drive. Next, navigate to your main hard drive. For me, it's the C drive. Find the Riot Games folder and delete it. Now click on the search icon in your taskbar and type in Riot Client. Select Open File Location again. Navigate to the Programs folder and delete the Riot Games folder you find there. The final step involves the App Data folder. Open the search bar, type Run, and press Enter. In the Run dialog box, type App Data and click OK. Navigate to the Local folder, scroll down to the folder starting with R, and delete the Riot Games folder. Also, check for and delete any additional folders like Valorant. Now, let's uninstall Valorant completely. Type Remove Programs in the search bar, click Open, find Valorant in the list, and uninstall it. Lastly, delete the Riot client and Valorant icon from your desktop, and empty your recycling bin to permanently remove all traces. And that's it. You have uninstalled Valorant completely on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.